Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Nissan Sentra. Begin by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and belt, then start the engine with steady breath. Familiarize yourself with the steering feel, pedal spacing, and gearbox position. Practice smooth inputs, gentle acceleration, gradual braking, and relaxed steering corrections. Keep eyes moving to scan lanes, mirrors, and instrument cluster. Stay calm and build confidence with short, quiet drives around familiar streets. Warm up to the controls by starting the car and feeling each pedal response, then choose drive or reverse carefully. Practice releasing the brake and applying a soft throttle to move smoothly without jerks. Keep hands in the proper position and steer with gentle adjustments, maintaining lane position. Anticipate stops and reduce speed early to avoid hard braking. Repeat short maneuvers until clutchless shifts and stopping feel natural and predictable on real roads. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers easy, clear ideas about money and long-term planning that pair surprisingly well with learning practical life skills. Treat it like a guidebook for future goals while you master driving habits today. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice parking by approaching slowly, using mirrors and hood points to judge distance, then align wheels and center the car in the spot. When you finish, shift to park, engage the parking brake, and turn off accessories to preserve battery. For parallel parking, take it step by step and recheck clearances with slow adjustments. Keep safety checks routine, doors locked, mirrors adjusted, and hazards ready. Build skills with calm, repeated practice sessions in varied locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.